you doing? You chilling, hanging out. What's up, girlfriend? Sit back, relax a little bit. Huh? Don't bite that. No. Sit back a little bit. There you go. Give the feet a little kick. Relax. There you go. You love your chair. You love sitting out here, huh? Do you? No? Maybe? What? Okay, take the ball. Go ahead. Put it in the hoop. Put it in the hoop. There's the hoop, Mia. Go get it. Put it in. Okay, Mia. Go ahead. Mia, right in the hoop. In the hoop. Right here, Mia. Mia. Mia, take a look. Look. Right in the hoop. Put it in. Sam dunk. Oh, Jesus. Wait. Try again. Try again. Right here, Mia.